We're here in PA at the Tracy Ridge hiking trail system. We're going to be doing some hiking on the North Country Trail around the Allegheny Reservoir. It's going to be a good weekend. Alright, we started at 18, worked our way up to 5, had meal time around here. Now we're at 4, we're gonna go to 3, and then to 17, work our way along these scenic vistas, and then work our way down the NCT back to the car. What we would call camp tonight. We're right here on the bank of the Allegheny Reservoir, just a little bit a ways. But this will be what we wake up to in the morning. Good morning. It's afternoon now, actually. Last night I put the camera on a time lapse while we did all our cooking and camp stuff to get that sunset over the mountain, and yeah, after that we kind of just hung out, went to bed, and then I woke up like 11:30. We made breakfast, woke up a little bit, and now we're here. We're gonna start tearing down camp, and once we're done with that, we're gonna get on out of here. So we're leaving the campsite, heading back up the hill. Today we'll be following Glow Blazes, taking the NCT, or North Country Trail, all the way back to the car.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
They don't even have a date.
Lazy bear.
Bears eat acorns, not people. You slow. These nuts. You got a pen?
Yeah.
Of course, there's not one in here. All right, looks like we're not signing it today.
There might be one in there.
I just looked.
Yeah.
All right, we're back at the parking lot now. We're almost there. It's right up here. But it was a pretty good overnight. Didn't film too much of the hiking stuff. It was mostly just climbing and dropping down the green tunnel. And yeah, it wasn't too entertaining to say the least. But I did film the highlights. And as this trip comes to an end, I had an awesome weekend, and I'm ready to get the next season of backpacking started.